Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make Windows desktop experience more productive. At first, open your browser and search for Windows Virtual Desktop Helper. And click on the first link. This is a simple and lightweight software used to make Windows Virtual Desktop experience more enhanced. Now, download the MSI package for better compatibility. Sometimes, it shows the security warning while downloading, but don't worry, it is totally safe to download and install. Now, close your browser and go to your download location. Then double-click on it. Now Windows show the security warning because of the unknown publisher. But it is totally safe, I already tested it. So click on More Info. And run it anyway. Then click on Next. Again click on Next. Installation complete. Now click on Close. Now, open your Windows search box and search for Windows Virtual Desktop Helper. Open it. And follow me for the setup process. Now, setup process is complete. Now, open the Task View option from the taskbar and add Virtual Desktop, as many as you want. Now, I will show you how it works. You can switch Virtual Desktop by clicking the arrow keys from the taskbar. Here, you can see. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.